a 5-stroke combustion motor. As you can see, I've 3D printed it in multiple colors. I apologize for the light. There we go. And let's crank it up. Feel the shaft getting weak from the speed. But it's not getting hot. Because it's not metal, the friction is not generating heat. Or if it is, it's at a much lower temperature. So I know this is getting long. Let's go ahead and crank this bad boy up to 2 all the way drill capacity. I'm gonna hold on, and I broke my last one, but it's documented. Let me